There are 10 maintenance items that Tesla Model 3 and Model Y owners routinely ignore, and every one of them gets expensive when left unchecked. We are talking repair costs ranging from a few $100s to well over $15,000, most of them preventable, with basic habits that cost almost nothing. Starting with the simplest fix that the majority of owners have never once performed, here is number 1. Number 1, the cabin air filter sits behind the glove box and rarely gets a second thought from most Tesla owners. Yet, a clogged filter puts real strain on the heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system, forcing the fan and the compressor to work harder just to keep air moving. Early warning signs include musty odors or noticeably weaker airflow, especially when running the air conditioning. Replacing the filter takes about 15 minutes and costs as little as $15 to $40 if you do it yourself. Tesla recommends an inspection every 10 to 12,000 miles, but urban drivers or those in dusty regions may want to check even sooner. Ignoring this simple upkeep risks more than stale air. Over time, a neglected filter can shorten the life of the compressor, turning a quick do-it-yourself job into a repair bill north of $1,000. For a small investment, regular filter swaps keep both your air quality and your wallet in better shape. In second place, tire rotation stands out as one of the simplest habits that pays off in the long run for Model 3 and Model Y owners. With the instant torque from electric motors, these cars wear tires unevenly, especially on the inside edges if left unchecked. Tesla recommends rotating every 6,250 miles, but many owners stretch that interval or skip it altogether. The cost of a professional rotation runs about $40 to $80, while a full set of replacement tires can land between $800 and $1,400. Skipping rotations can cut tire life by a quarter, turning what should be a 50,000-mile tire into a 35,000-mile expense. A tread depth gauge quickly reveals uneven wear, and a lift makes the job straightforward for shops. For the price of a modest dinner, routine rotations keep those pricey electric vehicle tires lasting longer and help avoid a sudden expensive bill. Third on our list, brake fluid often sits unnoticed under the hood, yet ignoring it can quietly undermine the very safety systems Tesla drivers rely on. Brake fluid is hygroscopic, meaning it absorbs moisture from the air, slowly lowering its boiling point and inviting corrosion inside the hydraulic system. Tesla recommends a brake fluid health check every 4 years, but many experts suggest testing every 2 years, especially in humid climates. A simple moisture test strip changes color above the critical 3% threshold, signaling it's time to flush. Neglecting this step risks spongy pedal feel, ABS faults, and even reduced regenerative braking. If contaminated fluid is left unchecked, repairs can spiral into $1,200 to $2,500 for seized calipers or a failed ABS pump. For the cost of a quick test and an occasional flush, owners avoid that steep price tag and keep their safety systems working as designed. Number 4. Tire pressure is a detail that slips past many Tesla owners, yet it has a direct line to both safety and the bottom line. The recommended range sits between 42 and 45 pounds per square inch when tires are cold, something the dashboard readout makes easy to check, but most skip the quick glance. Letting pressure drop even a few pounds below spec can shave 3 to 5% off driving range, meaning fewer miles per charge and more frequent stops. The risk does not end there. Underinflation increases the chance of a blowout, especially at highway speeds, where a sudden loss of control can lead to much more than a repair bill. Tesla's tire pressure monitoring system will alert if things get critical. but a 60-second check once a week is free insurance. For owners who value range and reliability, keeping those numbers in check is a habit that pays off every mile. Number 5. Wiper blades are easy to overlook until a sudden downpour reveals just how much clear vision matters. For Teslas, streaking or chattering across the windshield is not just an annoyance. It can block the view for both the driver and the car's cameras, putting advanced driver assistance features at risk. Tesla recommends swapping blades every 6 to 12 months, but many owners wait for obvious smears before acting. The cost to replace is modest, typically $20 to $50 for a quality pair. Ignore the warning signs, though, and those worn blades can grind grit into the windshield, leaving permanent scratches. Repairing or replacing the glass jumps the bill to $300 or even $800, depending on the model. Keeping blades fresh is one of the simplest ways to protect both your safety and your wallet, especially when a clear view means more than just comfort behind the wheel. Number 6. Software updates might seem like a digital afterthought, but ignoring those notifications can quietly set up bigger headaches down the road. Tesla pushes out over-the-air updates for free, patching security flaws, fixing bugs, and sometimes even improving range or charging speed. The update prompt is easy to dismiss. One tap, and it's gone for the day. Yet, when owners delay installation for more than a week, service data shows a 5% rise in avoidable shop visits. If a critical update fails to install, the fix is no longer free. A service center reflash runs between $100 and $200. Outdated software can also leave the car vulnerable to bugs that affect everything from charging to autopilot. For most, connecting to Wi-Fi and letting the update run overnight is all it takes. Staying current with software is one of the simplest ways to avoid unnecessary trips and unexpected bills. Number 7. The 12-volt battery hides beneath the frunk, but when it fails, the entire car can be brought to a standstill. Unlike the main high-voltage pack, this small battery powers the electronics that wake up the car, unlock doors, and run crucial systems. Most owners never think about it until a warning flashes, or worse, the car will not wake at all. Failure rates reach 20 to 30% by the 4th year, and when the battery dies, even a fully charged Tesla is immobilized. Towing a stranded car adds another $200 to $300 on top of the replacement cost, which ranges from $150 to $400 depending on location and labor. Proactive replacement every 3 to 4 years avoids the scenario of being stuck in a parking lot, waiting for a flatbed, and facing a bill that can quickly climb toward $700. For a part this small, the consequences of neglect are anything but minor. In 8th place, recalls and VIN checks are paperwork details that quietly carry high stakes for Tesla owners. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration lists more than 20 recalls for Model 3 and Model Y since 2020, covering everything from suspension components to hood latches and rear camera wiring. Yet up to 30% of vehicles on U.S. roads have at least one unresolved recall, and Tesla's over-the-air updates only fix software issues. Physical repairs still require a service appointment. Owners who skip quarterly VIN checks through the NHTSA website or the Tesla app risk missing free repairs that could otherwise cost between $2,500 and $4,000 if a part fails out of warranty. Suspension recalls, for example, have led to bills averaging $2,800 when ignored. While a missed oil change might mean a gradual decline, neglecting a recall can trigger sudden expensive failures, sometimes with no warning. Staying on top of recall status is a no-cost habit that protects both safety and your wallet. Number 9. Coolant condition is one of those silent threats lurking under the frunk, often overlooked until it is too late. Tesla does not call for regular coolant flushes, but a simple yearly inspection of the reservoir can make the difference between routine maintenance and a catastrophic bill. The thermal system relies on clean, properly filled coolant to keep the battery and drive unit at safe temperatures. Warning signs like a low reservoir, blue or milky fluid, or white residue around the tank signal leaks or contamination. While a service visit for coolant inspection or a basic flush runs about $300 to $500, ignoring leaks or degraded coolant risks battery or drive unit overheating. That is when repair costs can skyrocket, with some owners facing $5,000 to $15,000 in damage if thermal management fails. Catching a discolored or low reservoir early keeps the most expensive parts of a Tesla protected, making this small check a high-stakes habit. In 10th place, service notes and history tracking quietly deliver the highest financial leverage of any Tesla maintenance habit. A clean, well-documented record can defend thousands of dollars in resale value, while missing paperwork leaves owners exposed to warranty denials and steep price cuts. Recent sales data shows that 1 in 4 Tesla owners lack complete records. And when it comes time to sell, buyers or dealers routinely knock off 7 to 15%, amounting to a loss of $2,800 to $6,000 on a $40,000 car. The Tesla app makes it easy to scroll through service history, but exporting receipts and logging repeated faults once a year is what really protects your investment. For those who think paperwork is just busy work, a missing record can mean the difference between a quick sale and a drawn-out negotiation. In a world where every other maintenance task leaves a paper trail, keeping your digital file in order is the simplest way to make sure every dollar spent on upkeep pays you back. Across all 10 maintenance blind spots, one pattern stands out. Small oversights in Tesla ownership quietly add up to real costs. The technology is advanced, but responsibility still matters. For anyone who values long-term reliability, the smartest move isn't ignoring, it's staying ahead. Thanks for watching.